What up? Heading home from jail in DC. Dude, I just got fucking stopped out again. So stupid. What's up, Marie? But yeah, I just got stopped. I mean, I don't know. I think I made a couple bucks actually. But stupid. Just not pushing. Just not. I mean, at this stage, I want to see new lows getting taken out. I want to see below 67. I was short at the top, which is the craziest part. The craziest part of it all, I was short at the very, very top. It was bouncing a little bit. I don't know. I'm just watching. Literally just watching, seeing what's going on. What up, Drake? I would like to catch it though. I mean, under 67, like if we get under 67 and sweep to 61 right here in this blue zone and off the pivot point, dude, that'd be probably the best fucking bet. What up, Maria? That would be the best bet. If you hit this pivot point, you would have swept the lows. You're in an order block, pivot point bounce. This would be right. This would be like the best. What up, Sean? Bro, I had the fucking top. I had the top. Not even lying. In at the top. Yo, Monday to Thursday from the office. Dude, you gotta tell your boss, fuck off. I'm in the middle of trading. What up, Anderson? I'm trying to think. Your strategy would have what? Got you in short like a 767? Where would you have gotten short at? So I had the top and then I sold it for baby gains somewhere here. Dre, if you make $1,000, I would get up and just get up for a little bit. Because honestly, you don't have to make another trade during the whole day. Come on, get all the way down to this pivot point. Be fucking textbook. We come down to 61 and invert on the 30-second or our minute to the upside. That is an A+ setup to me. Just an FYI. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. But that is what I'm taking. You don't like the scale on my funded futures? Yeah, because you can use one mini. Also keeps you from blowing your account. Ray. Yeah. Yo, tomorrow, CPI is tomorrow. You could pass all those accounts in a half a second. Or they can exit the building in a half a second. But something will happen in a half a second. That I can tell you. Something's going to happen. What it is, we're not exactly sure. You chase too much? I most definitely, I mean, I'll chase, but if I chase, the problem is I'll chase, and when I chase my stop, I take small gains. I gotta. What are you using on my funded futures? Futures? I got a. What do I got? I have 5 Apex accounts for tomorrow. I'll probably use at least 3 of them. Oh, I would just wait it out a little bit. Let's see who's playing CPI tomorrow. I know I am. I'm in. Dude, fucking, I'm going to light that shit up. Yo, what up, Chris? What up? What up? Yo, smash the like button. So I'm telling you, just fucking 15 more points down. This could be so nice. 15 more points down. That's all I need. What the fuck was that? Did they just do a deal or something? Yeah, 8:30 tomorrow morning. Did Trump just do a fucking deal? Something's going on right now. Look, something's going on right now. Anybody actually know? I think they sucked in a lot of people. They just broke it below the bottom right here. I'm just looking. I mean, it looks good to the upside, but I just need to know what caused it. What's crazy is we can't get over 700. I don't see any news. You were about to short? Yeah, I bet you a couple people probably were. I bet you a couple people saw it breaking down. Come on. Wow. Oh, there it is. Trump extends China tariff deadline by 90 days. You fucking piece of shit.
Order rejected.
I just got it in super small. I literally am in 3 micros. I just want to see if it holds. No. We just got extended for 90 days. They don't give a shit. Yo, I'll be honest with you. I don't even care anymore about this tariff deadline. They're not doing shit. Dude, I paid so much attention to it, and literally, they're not doing fucking. They're gonna keep extending it. I'm done paying attention. I'll just stupid. Fuck, it's just so stupid. I don't understand why there's even a deadline. Why do you even have a fucking deadline? Just explain it to me. I don't understand why you even have a deadline. The stupidity of it. Like, hey guys, there's a deadline. But if you don't meet the deadline, we're just going to keep extending it. Cool. Okay. Yo, I'm over it. Over it. It's just stupid. It's just so stupid. It's all a bluff. I don't even know. It's just stupid at this point. I might take a small batch and just keep it at what the fuck is the low here? 74? I don't even know. It's not even a good fucking trade. It's not even a good trade. I got this Trump dog shit news, and I'm afraid that this thing's just going to leave the motherfucking station without me. Like, we're never going to get the drop that I want, and we're just going to fucking just keep going. That's kind of how it feels. If I buy, we're going to go lower. If I don't buy, we're going to bring it all the way back up to the highs. That's how I feel. So stupid. It's basically like they don't want to give him a good deal. So, yeah, they just keep extending it. Nothing's going to get done. Nothing. There's going to be no fucking deal. We're going to be sitting here 90 days from now. What is 90 days? November? November? Yeah. I believe that's going to fucking happen. Stupid. So stupid. I've never seen something like this. I've never seen something so stupid like this. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I mean, listen, the market in theory should rip, being that we're sticking at these tariff rates for essentially 90 days. You want to see it get over 700, though. You want to see it start trading in this area, break the downtrend, start trading in this area is what you really want to see. No, we never got to the lows that I wanted. Nope. Just never got there. I don't know if it will with this Trump news. I took a shot because I assume this is what everybody wanted. It brings stability to the markets for the next 90 days. You know, these are a couple of things that, you know, can really help out the markets in general if you think about it. You know, you're not going to have some type of trade war with China. You know, there's a lot of positives to it. A lot of positives. But, you know, see what happens. You know, that's just my thoughts, just, you know, thinking about it, where there you go, Dr. T. Come on. Oh. Yo, I'm going to start up that Twitter giveaway today also, by the way. Just an FYI. If you want to. If you want to try to get free accounts. Woo! Are we going to go finally? I'll add to a winner if we can break over 700. Yo, what up, Steven? What up, Mystic? Just it's not the best of days. It's not the best of days. Price action has been dog shit for the majority of the time. I don't know what else. Price action has been dog shit. It would be cool to break out of this, the upside. I mean, I'm only just speculating. I'm literally going off of Trump's news. Trump extended 90 days. I just felt like this news of extending for 90 days. This eval is getting fucking smoked. I just thought that extending it for 90 days is just such a positive, but apparently, I don't know, a delayed reaction, maybe. I don't know. It's the only thing I can think of is you got a delayed reaction here or something. I would have just thought at this stage we would be up 40 points from the news, maybe. You know, news seemed pretty good, right? I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, I definitely feel like it could be priced in, but it is definitely a positive knowing that it's a definite. Like, we're definitely pushing it over. You know, you got the confirmation. What up, George? I don't know. Obviously, I'm just letting it move around. It can't get over it can't get over 700. Holy shit. We were doing good. I don't even think the market knows. I don't know. It's just fucking chop. Originally I wanted to see 60. What did I say? 662? Originally I wanted to see it go right off this pivot point. That would sweep today's lows, right? Come off this pivot point and bounce. We're in this heavy consolidation. I would have loved to see us move out, but it doesn't seem like that's going to play out. Doesn't seem like it's going to play out. So I don't know. I'm going to set the Twitter giveaway live right before the end of the day. If anybody wants to, I'll post it in the chat and shit. Dude, this has been one fucking chop fest. The sim market makers are coming for my money. They're going to get my money. By the way, Take Profit Trader extended their deal till Sunday. That was pretty cool. Yeah. They usually don't also, so I was shocked that they did. Normally they just roll out like something else, but they actually extended it. I was shocked. Do not come. Oh, this is like tiring, man. This is fucking tiring just watching this go back and forth. I guess better than going down, right? Yo, Trump said if TPT is extending, I am also. If I had to guess, the Chinese government's not budging and Trump has to budge. That's what I think is going on. I think he doesn't want to go scorched earth. I think he just wants to make a deal. But I just feel like he's just not able to. I didn't get stopped. This is not looking fucking good. Oh, fuck, man. It looks so good and just couldn't fucking break. Watch, it's going to target 662. 662, it's going to hit at least. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of where I wanted it, was 662. Now we're getting an actual move down. This is typically what I like to play more than anything. You get a big, nice flush. I would like to go further. I want to see further if I could. It doesn't feel like enough. But I'm just watching. I mean, it's got to get to 671 at least. Now it's longing time. I would wait. I want to see a close over 71. I want to see what happens right here. I'm wondering if they reject this back down to 70 and then bounce it. But I might get in. so fucking, I'll be honest with you, this is not what I really wanted. But I'm in, and I'm in like on a half position if what I really want on a trade like this. I don't know what blew. It's on this screen. Oh, I guess these fucking accounts just blew. Awesome. I gotta re-fucking...
Order rejected.
84, 87. All right. Didn't have a ton of drawdown, so I guess it fucking is what it is, right? I'm not touching the other account, so we'll see what happens. You're short? You're going short? All right, I'm at break even. And I'm going to go for actually some bigger gains here. I'm at break even. Because if I get rid of 3, if I get rid of a third here, it's only $30. So I'll just fucking risk it for the biscuit. I would like them to put in a candle up to like 93. That'd be fucking pretty cool. See, now I'm probably going to get rid of 3. See, now I'm out of 3. That made me $50. And now I'm going to hold these motherfuckers for a little bit. I don't know if we're going to go up there, but it's a free trade at this point. Yo, there you go, Siddharth. My day was not... I finally got the sweep I wanted, though, that I've been talking about. That was literally it. I just didn't wait. I literally... What's crazy is I literally shorted the top, and I did not wait. Just didn't wait. Come on. No. Not taking... Yo, what up, Black Beauty? Come on. I would love for them to push it out of this freaking zone. Get it up. Get it up and out. Just get it the fuck out of here. They're so like, it's so random how you get these times of consolidation. Like this is just like a fucking clump of back and forth. just kind of like what we had earlier today. Like, you really didn't get any push, and then you finally got a push and then down, which was nice. I shorted right here. I shorted right here in another account at the top. My goal was to hold. I did not. I did not. Why would I? Why would I fucking hold? Well, at least I sold a third for a gain. Oh. This account fucking blew. Oh no, it's got $22 of drawdown. Bro, this thing has $22 of drawdown. Well, now it's got $145 of drawdown. Is that possible? $165? Dude. What can, imagine I bring this all the way back from down from $22. Just end this account. Just put it out. Just bring it to the glue factory already. Bring this account to the glue factory. I'm done with it. There we go. Once you get down that far, like, yeah, there's no way you're gonna bring the fucking account back. There's just not. Darrell's just clapped. I like this. I'll be honest with you. Everything about this I liked. You swept the lows. We held this pivot point. You inverted. What did we get? We went up over 10 points. I got rid of a third, went to break even. Like, everything there was great. I have no complaints about what happened here. You just never fucking pushed out of the gate. It just never pushed. You've done it with $50 increments? Yo, tomorrow on CPI, I'm going to light it up. Yo, Steven, sometimes you got to risk it for the biscuit. CPI, I might go 5 fucking accounts on CPI. I might just risk 5 accounts. Just say fuck it. I have 5 accounts, so I can risk all 5 on CPI and see what's up. That's what I might do. BD, baby. Gotta go BD. I don't know. I got them. They were only $16 each for me. They were rebills. So for $75, basically, I'm risking. Risk $75. If it hits, awesome. It'd be a great hit. I think I'm going to go 7 cons. 7 cons, and I'm going to shoot for like 18 points. And hopefully it sells me out and gets me out. And, that's the goal, though. 18.7 cons. Usually it overshoots, so I always put my sell a little early because it takes a little bit to go through. Dude, the algorithms they slowed everything down today. I'm risking it for the biscuit. Dude, where the fuck did the chat go? Oh, man. What the fuck did I just do? Oh, here we go. I got to reorganize my... What is CPI? It's inflation data. It's inflation data. Probably. I think last time it was cool, right? I think last time it was cooler than it should be. But I don't actually know. But yeah. Should be interesting, though. Probably definitely drive the market. Yo, so half the people are going to play CPI tomorrow? I like it. Dude, today's just been a fucking rough price action day. Like, literally, I'm trying to think of the best trade that I saw today was. We were slow out the gate here. Honestly, the best trade was probably up here, short. I am so fucking exhausted. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God. Are we really going down? Dude, it's so stupid. It's like holding the fucking... There's just nothing. There's no pressure either way. Look at this thing. In theory, we should break out of this back up to maybe the 200 or VWAP. Picking them, Knob. Picking them. Yeah, I mean, listen. Dude, you know what I need? I need some fucking duck winners right now. It's what I really need. Just having an off Monday. The markets are real weird today. Just a weird day in general. Also, like, we opened up and it was super weird. Like, the market went nowhere when we opened up. It was almost like it was a holiday. No, it's going to fucking dump. Oh. I won't play. If I get stopped out, I won't play this area again. I would want to come down and make a new low if I were to play this area again. Just an FYI. I'm playing it, but if I get stopped, I will not rebuy. It's just way too choppy. It's not following what I like. Boom. Did it not fucking, it just tagged a little bit? I mean, in theory, if it holds 670, you still to the upside. But the fact that it's breaking down up here does not look fucking good. I won't touch it until it makes new lows. Yo, what's wrong? Flushable wipes? What? Dude, this thing's just brutal. I mean, it's just dumping. Come on. When did the 90-day tariff news hit? This candle right here. 225. It was this big candle, and then there was no follow through. PG. None. Not even a hint of follow through. And you know what's crazy is it was at a good spot in the chart for news, because you got to think, we just traveled all this way down. You get hit with that news. I mean, it could easily carry it all the way back up. And it just didn't. It just didn't let it happen. It was just so stupid. I personally thought my bias was long. Once that news hit, you got to assume it creates stability in the market. You know, that definitely creates stability in the market. Would you gamble away all your points, Dell? Is that what happened? Dude, tell me you gambled your points away. I mean, the fact that we didn't run on the news is definitely not great. I thought the news would push it higher. Oh, man. Yo, Jim, it's not a great day. It is not a great day. I mean, it is what it is, though. You just got to ride with it. Just got to ride with it. I think we're going to. How do you have no points, dude? So you have 9 points. Give it one. Give it. It's 10 points to do it. CPI is tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning Eastern time. Just an FYI for anyone looking to play. Come on. Just give us new fucking lows at this point. You joined Friday with 0? I don't know how they let you in with 0. It is not set to 0. That's why. That's fucking weird. Super weird. Yeah, try it now, Del. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, hold on 1 second. I got to let somebody in my door. Hold on 1 second. I got to open up the front door. I'm back. Oh, what do you know? We're at the same spot. We haven't moved. We haven't fucking moved. Holy shit. It's crazy. Here we go. Finally, some action. Dude. Microsoft dump? Yo, why is Microsoft dumping? Ian, just wondering. By the way, Dell, I got you anyways. But why is Microsoft dumping? Any news? Oh, my brother's so fucking stupid. Oh. Just unload it. Unload it. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Your guess is a blow off exhausted. We didn't really have a blow off top. I mean, today we like that's intraday. But like if you look at the daily, I mean, it's not really a blow off top at all. Like a blow off top would look more like, you'd ramp up a lot. You want to see something like, you want to see a green, 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 and then like really excessively, and then come down. This is a blow off top, like something like this. Like you ramp, like that's a fucking ramp, and then it's straight down. That's what I would consider like a blow off. Yo, it's got to put in a power bottom here. I'm so pissed. I had this fucking short at the at the top. At the top, I was short. So stupid. I took this inversion right here. How you have this is a blow off top. See how you just have all of a sudden you just start rocketing? That was it. That was the top. It wasn't a sloppy toppy either. It was pretty defined. You got up, you came down, you tried to bounce a little bit, you retested this fair value gap, and then you just unloaded. All I had to do was hold. Someone's going to ask me why I didn't hold. Honestly, I should have held in the account I shorted in because there was no it's end of day drawdown. Nah, so I could have held and it wouldn't have mattered at all. That's the craziest part is I could have held without an issue. That's the craziest part. I had it. I fucking had it. I had it, and I had it in the right account and everything. It was all lined up. I just didn't do it. I had it all lined up. Dude, that was perfect. I think, Ian, I'll be honest with you, I think CPI tomorrow. I think CPI tomorrow is gonna do a lot. CPI tomorrow is gonna really determine where we're heading. That's gonna move the needle one way or another. Yeah, that's gonna be where it's at. I think CPI was cooler last time, but I got 5 accounts for that shit. I can tell you that. 5 Apex accounts lined the fuck up. Yeah, crick, but I should have made I should have made money today. I should have definitely made money today. Yo, and all the fake news. Fake news. What up, bro? I blew some accounts. I told myself I wasn't going to blow any funded accounts all month. They started off below the threshold, though. Apex is still 80%. Yep. This isn't some great setup. I'm just curious personally if between the CPI coming out, if they pre-run it into close, if they pre-run it into close, or I can't believe the China extension didn't do anything. It fucking had one candle in 1 minute and gave it all up. That to me was absurd. That to me was the most absurd shit. Larry, I mean, I wait a lot of times for it. If I can't wait, I can't wait. But what I do is I buy a bunch when they're cheap, and as long as they rebill, I'm out. I'm out at the. I got a sell signal. I'm out. As long as they rebill at 90%, also I stack those. I have 5 50K Apex accounts for tomorrow. I plan on riding them all into news. Oh, knob. Knob. Yeah, I'm going to try passing 5 fucking accounts tomorrow. CPI is just a great opportunity to, I mean, obviously you can lose the accounts. But it is an opportunity to pass accounts really fast. For me personally, I'm not saying what you should do. I'm just saying me personally, I like them because of the reason I can trade them and hit super quick. Because there's a consistency rule on so sometimes I do on them, but I put my stops super fucking quick because there's a 50% consistency rule on evals. So what I'll do is on those, I'll do like 5 cons, 5 points. And I always get over the 5 points, but like maybe I get $1,000 in them, right? You could still buy the old ones, TJ. I literally spoke to the guy at lunch today. So just everybody knows on the chat, you could still buy the old accounts on My Funded Futures until either the end of this week or the end of next week. They don't know when they're going to get rid of them, but they are getting rid of them this week or next week. And that's it. So you could still buy them. They still have the 90-10 split. It's everything that they had before. So if you like the old accounts, I would suggest buying them before probably Sunday. They're going to make an announcement, but it's either going to be at the end of this week or next week. Just throwing it out there. Well, okay. The new ones are priced amazing, Maria. The new ones are, what is it? Oh, by the way, My Funded Future resets. Oh, man, where is it? Fuck, man. Dude. Hold on. I got it. Dude, if you have a blown account, don't buy a new My Funded Futures account. They're doing 15% off resets. So instead of buying a new account and only getting like 5% off with my code, get a reset and you'll get 15% off. You actually save money if you reset a blown account more than buying a brand new one. You can only use 5 of them though, but I'm just letting you guys know it's cheaper to reset than buy a new one. I just don't want to see you, you're just make sure the account that you're resetting doesn't reset in like 3 days also. A generation of bag holders. I don't know if that's going to be the top. I don't know. Generational bag holding. Anderson, yo, my short is panning out while I'm in the toilet. Well, that's awesome, dude. I like that for you. We're rooting you on, bud. Can you sell while you're in the toilet or no? It's just hold only. Dude, I would not be buying NVIDIA at 180. But I'll be honest with you, Ian, pre-split, if I told you that NVIDIA was at $350, you would have said that was high. And then it went to 500, and then it split. And then it went from, I think it was like 100 when it split all the way to like what it is now. I mean, it hasn't stopped going up. And it's felt high for a while. So I don't really know when it, when does the music stop? I don't know when the music stops. I just know that, this AI shit is not going anywhere anytime soon. The big thing you're going to have to look at is CPI. And I think in September, the U.S. government wants to restructure debt. It's going to be at a high level. That's something you got to watch out for. Yeah. I mean, if you bought at any time, you're pretty much up. Like you could have bought at the high of whatever. You want to hear something crazy? I was at my parents' house during COVID, and they literally almost sold the bottom of the bottom. Literally, they almost sold the fucking bottom of COVID. They literally were like, we're down so much money. Should we just sell here? And I was like, you got to be kidding me. But they almost sold at the bottom of COVID. It's 8:30 Eastern time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, Stephen. If you look at this, it just looks like we're going to go straight the fuck down. Did that just test this wick? Go further. Fucking go further. Did it just test that? It didn't break? Are you fucking kidding me? Come on. Dude, I don't know how I get on these fucking lists, but like dudes trying to sell me sports picks all day long, and I don't even bet. Is this the bottom? They didn't sell anything, Waldo, but they had like Facebook. They had like all, a whole portfolio of stocks. Their whole retirement fund. It was their whole retirement fund was in there. I just went to break even. We'll see what the fuck happens. Does it continue? Does this turn red right now and flush? Or not? But they had they were in Facebook, Microsoft, you know, all the big guys, Google, all the shit that, you know, you invest into, you know. They were in some other weird shit also. I don't even know what they were in. But I looked at their portfolio. They were in all types of shit. But I had a friend that dumped $1 million of cash in literally at the bottom of COVID. So when my parents were like, "Oh, we're thinking about selling," I was like, my friend who's really smart and is in the finance industry just dumped a million. I was like, I would not sell anything if I were you. I was, you know, she knew who he was. I was like, so and so is loading the fucking boat. I was like, he just dropped $1 million, and that's not the first buy that he had. He made so much money in the market, man. But yeah, that's when, even like this whole Trump thing that happened earlier this year, that's where all the money's made. The money's made on the way down. The money's made on the way down. I opened the ducks up. I'm going to open it up one more time after this because we need 2 more freaking duck race winners. I need the duck race winners. Come on. Flush it. They're eating the ducks. Dude, this thing is just skating on fucking thin ice right here. Like, if they just decide to let this go, you're probably going to see 50 points down. I don't know if they are, but if they let it just fucking go, it's 50 points. I'm just looking what's over here. Like, there's nothing over here. Like, it's kind of a straight shot to, 614, 600. I don't see like, oh, this is support. Like, I don't see anything until we get down to 613-ish, 612. If this thing picks up steam, I mean, I'm just moving my stop down here because I don't want to see it bounce at all. I'm watching it. I'm going to get the fuck out. I'm out. Although if you look like we broke, retest, and then fucking down would be money, but we're running out of time. I'm definitely running out of time here. What up, Monet? What up, David? They had several opportunities to pump this and just never pumped it. Just never fucking pumped it. Fuck, my drawdown is fucking low. Oh, come on. Let's see if I can just slam this fucking eval and get some bucks in it. I just need a scalp here. A scalp. I'm looking scalp to the downside, by the way. I don't trust this to the upside at all. Downside scalp. Yo, what up, Chris? Dude, I don't understand how you have so many problems with the prop firms. They got to be you got to have an account somewhere. Like you have to have an account somewhere that they're charging you. It's not like you have no account. There needs to be one somewhere. Come on, just push this fucking down. What? Come on, keep it going. I mean it. Then how are they rebilling you? You're the only person I know out of all the people I deal with that have this issue, and you have it in multiple prop firms. I just don't think you know that you have the account. Maybe have you tried logging in? What happens when you log into your platform? Round two. Round two. I just don't understand it, to be honest. Do you have the login to your stuff? Like, have you logged in recently and just saw what's there? I'm just wondering. Oh, they're gonna fucking dump this. Dump it. Come on. No one's buying. Let's go. Nobody's buying. Just dump. Yeah, Knob, that's the problem is it's not just one firm. It's like every firm. So I don't see how that's my issue. It's like I don't maybe he doesn't know the login. That's the only thing I can think of. Oh, give me the big fucking green, the big red candle to the downside. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Just dump it. Fucking dump it. Well, now it's a free trade. Free trade, free as me. Dump it. Unload it. Oh my God. We're right there. I was right there. It was right there to just fucking let it go. It was right there. Just remember, we're getting close to MOC. MOC won't let me be. I need one more duck winner here. I need one more ducks. Start up in 2 minutes. Start up after MOC. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's so weird. I don't understand what's going on. I want to help you out, Chris. I really want to help you out. I just don't know. Oh, now we go. This thing's just fucking gonna unload. I think you have a date with like 600 here. It just feels that way. It feels like they're just gonna sell it. Feels like they're gonna sell it. Like if you look, we haven't gotten this yet. See how you have these candles? That's what I'm looking for. And that will be the bottom, I think. You're going to get probably like 1 to 3 candles of like a real big push down. And then that will be the bottom or near term bottom. But that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the flush to come back up. I don't even know if I'm going to play it to the upside. I'm just saying it feels like you're going to get a flush. Yeah, Matt, pretty shitty day. Come on, push it. Just fucking unlet it. Let it go. Come on. Now I got a big problem coming. MOC is coming in right now. MOC is coming in a minute and a half. If I can move to break even, I will stay in this trade. If I cannot get to break even, I will get out. So I need a red candle here. I'm going to move to right. I'm going to move to break even. Actually, I'm going to move further down so I can lock in some fucking gains. I will get rid of, if it comes down a little more, I'm going to get stopped out here. I was going to say, I'm going to get rid of at least one probably. Only because I'm up. But I'm out. MOC is coming in less than a minute. Do I trade on Lucid? No. Yeah, I mean, I don't know anything about them. But I do know, I don't even go by the percent off anymore. Percent off means nothing. It's the cost of funding is really all that matters. You know what I'm saying? Like, these firms are like, oh, it's 50% off. Or like, you know, Apex, it's 80% off. Like, I just look at the cost of funding. That's why I got out. Look at that shit. Are they just going to give it up? The old pump dump. The story of my dealings with these firms is, yeah, I don't know, man. Everybody else is using them and not having issues like that, which is crazy. Yo, Knob made $450 in 0 seconds. Yeah, it's just a sales pitch. I'll be honest with you. I mean, people are like, oh, let me try this. Like, I would not switch prop firms unless there's a really, really good deal. But like, this is what I was talking about, though. Getting candles like this, you know, really getting that dump and then coming back up. It just doesn't make sense. Like, everybody's like, oh, let me jump to this. Let me try this one. Like, what are you really, quote unquote, trying at the other prop firm? You're trading the same thing. You're trading the NQ. You don't need to try anything. You're trading literally the same contracts. You know, you should be like, yo, let me try this other strategy probably, rather than let me try this other prop firm. The only difference is if some have end of day or not end of day. All right, I need one more fucking winner. Just fucking pump it. Do something with it. Come down to 600 and then pump it back up. That would be cool. That would be cool. A 600 touch and then come back up. Come on. Let it go. Let it go one more time. One more time to the fucking downside. There we go. You just touched 600. I'm wondering if it goes through 600 and swipes all the stop losses below 600. I'm watching and waiting. Dude, what up, Corey? Come on, man. Is this where we're holding? Come on, give me an entry. Give me an entry. Get over 10 or something. Get over 10. Watch them buy this all the way back up to 700. I'm watching. That actually just grabbed people's stop losses right there. That just hit somebody's stop. People just got stopped out. Oh, man, a close over 10 would be push it. You just took out people's stops. Now would be the time to push. I'm watching. More dumps. Dump Cité. I mean, the problem with just straight down, Ian, is it's never going to go straight down. Because people take profit, people buy bounces. It's definitely going to come. Even when it goes down, it bounces back and forth. The further you get a drop like this, the more it's like a beach ball. The further you go down without a bounce, the more likely you're going to get a hard fucking push back up. It's beach ball underwater is what you get. That's why I like these types of moves. Like if you think about it, we're kind of down almost 100 points, right? It's kind of 100 points down. No, the news was the China news. Your China news. Yo, Sean. Yo. Come on. Push it. Are they going to run this right into fucking close? Dude. That was fucking nice. Keep going. Dude, I can't believe it took this fucking long to get a move like this. Oh, it sucked. I waited all day. I mean, I'm going to be honest. This was nice. I should have just waited for this. Even though we got out with minimal gain, this was nice. I'm not going to say that this wasn't what I was looking for. We swept the lows and came back up. But you know, obviously this dropped 100 points. You got to kind of take it to the upside. Just got to hold. You just got to hold. How hard is it? Here's the Twitter giveaway if you guys want to take part in it. We're giving away 3 people are going to win 3 Apex accounts of any size. Just throwing it out there. That's how it was settled, just for the ease of me not needing to contact 10 fucking people. How's that sound? I was going to do the 10-person thing, but it was just too hard for me to fucking contact everybody. Sorry. A shitty drift. I wasn't about to drift that. Also, the stats are drift only to the downside. And I'll be honest with you, this candle is way too big for me to drift it. Anderson. This candle's too big to drift, and it's only to the downside. So just throwing it out there. I just want to let you know. Dude, I'm going to be honest with you. Today was not fucking great. This was the highlight of my day. Propfirm world sucked balls. It was really just Apex accounts that got hit hard. I didn't really, this sucked. And you know what's crazy is I should just trust my instincts, to be honest with you. I should just trust myself. I was short here. I actually took, I'll just show you. This account was down $1,400 before. This account was down $1,400, and I literally played it. I forget what I did. I think I just played some to the downside and scalps, and then I literally caught this to the upside. I'm only down. This is ready for a payout. If I would have gotten $100 in this account, I could have taken a $1,000 payout today. So tomorrow I will work on this, and it is what it is. Is it true all props have to go live by 2027? I did not hear that. Yo, see you later, Maria. Yo, Dell. Why would I trust myself? You know what? There's some accounts that I could just buy in and hold, and there's no, the end of day accounts. I should have just done that in this account, to be honest. But I was so fixated on just getting $100. But I made it back at the end of the day on the way down and on the way up. Same with this account. I have one Tradeify account. Dude, this account was down $600, and literally I made $250 on the way back up. Yeah, so it was down as much as 600, but it was just down 3 something. I just made 600, 250 back. Like, those are the moves I look for, and it's just waiting for it. But like I said, this was not a terrible one earlier today. I would take that. This was not a terrible one. I'm just saying, like, I don't regret taking that. I do regret dicking around here, because I was dicking around here knowing that we're so close to low of day. Like, let it sweep low of day. This one was not terrible. We swept low of day, and then we came through. So I could definitely say this was not terrible. This was not terrible. I got sold out, break even, I think most likely somewhere around here. I know this one I sold a third at profit, the rest at break even. Damn, Delco. That sucks. Oh, man. Dude. Yo, you're in a different time zone? You didn't know we were closed? What are you, traveling, Fred? Oh, geez, Delco. Today was definitely a rough day in general. No more trading for you for the day? Yeah. I'm not. I'm probably done for the day. I'm thinking I'm debating on uh I'm debating on a couple things. I was slinging some back tests recently. I got to see what the deal is. I like my back tests and see what happens. BTC rejected hard. I didn't even see that. I got to look. It's all going to come down to CPI tomorrow, Ian. CPI tomorrow is going to determine everything. Dude. Is Sean, you in here by any chance? Are you here? I just want to throw something out there. I mean, they're not great so far. I'm at like 63%, but with a 1.5 R to R. I put it in the main chat. I put gold in the main chat yesterday, BK. I back tested gold at open. Dude. No, Sean's not in here. I was going to go over something with Sean while I was live real quick, but I guess I'll just wait. I'll wait it out. Yo, after tomorrow, I'll be streaming from not my main computer. Yeah, 1.5 R to R, and it's about 66% win rate, Anderson. Yo, Sean, so my new thing with what you said, so when you go over, like previous day, as soon as you get it fair value gap inversion, I would probably say fucking that's the one. And you just got to be okay. Like, see how you have this? You can either set your stop loss at the high, or you can set it at the, you know, see how this retested this other a fair value gap that was made? You basically get in somewhere down here, and your stop loss would be this high, whatever this is. With what? That's insane. Oh, what, 66% chance? I'm working on something, Anderson. It's not polished. And if I just put it out there, people are going to be doing it. It's not. Something happened to the market 9 minutes ago. Yo, the market closes at 4 o'clock Eastern time. Now it's after hours. Delco. Yeah, Sean. So basically, once you're over into your zones, I would just wait for the first inversion to happen, and then I would just take it. Yo, over trader. Yeah. That was great to end my day. That was a good fucking Delco. That was a good thing to end the day, bro. Today was a weird day. Today was so weird. Like, even from the open, we weren't moving around a lot. What dates did I backtest the drift? I'll show you right now. I haven't updated it. You're more than welcome to do it. This was the drift. See how the win rate is low? But if you only play the downside, the win rate's 74%. I think you're going for 25 tick profit, 20 tick stop loss. But just remember, max consecutive losses. I mean, you can lose 5 days in a row. So if you lose 3 days in a row, I mean, the thing with plays or whatever it is, you got to play it every day. I back tested it. Here's the back test: July, June, May. So May, June, July. But you got to play it every day. Otherwise, the odds, it doesn't. Because if you just play it tomorrow and when it loses 3 days in a row, and then you're like, well, I'm done. Like the percentage has to level out. That's what any of the things that I do. Like, I play the open. The open lost today, but the open won on Friday. But net I'm up. We hit on Friday. We lost today. Net I'm up still. So, and I built plenty of accounts only doing that. So, you just got to play the odds. and you just play it over and over and over again. Yeah, gold is tariff free by the way. Yep. No tariffs on gold. A 40 tick take profit and 30 stop loss. Yeah, and Anderson, listen, all I do is put ideas out there. My goal is to put the idea out there and then you take it and do what you want with it. If you're here to make it on whatever you want to make it. Putting your own rules. That's what I want. I don't want you just to follow what I'm doing. I want you to create your own from the data and the ideas that I put out. That's the goal. I don't want to be just, I don't want to just be sitting here being like, all right, guys, this is what it is. Like, I don't mind laying down the foundation, but I definitely want you guys, I definitely want you guys to come up with whatever you want to come up with, it, make it your own. I don't honestly know what it means because I don't really follow gold. I don't really know what it means for gold. It just means there's gonna be no tariffs. I don't know. Maybe what happened to gold when they said that? I mean, it seems like just like the market, gold kind of sold off, right? Maybe since there's no tariffs, people can just buy gold elsewhere and gold's just kind of selling off. Man, I can't believe I fucked that up today. I can't believe I fucked this up. That was the trade of the day. That and definitely a couple of these looked really good. This one looked good. You would have got stopped out. This one you would have made money. And then end of day looked really good after you just dropped 90 points. Oh, fucking really nice. Should have just been more patient. All right, let me get these ducks up. I got to get these ducks going. Quack, quack, baby. I'm just looking. All right, if you're new here, we do the account giveaways. You got to subscribe to the channel. We stream live twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code CoveTrader. Also, we have the Twitter giveaway. If you want to join, that's going to run all week. And the winners are going to be given out on Friday on the stream. I'm going to take everyone that's I'm going to take everyone that entered, and I am going to put them in the duck race, I think. That seems like it's the goal. That's the link to it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's fucking run this. Got a couple winners, and then we're going to do a ball sack race at the end. We're going to ball sack it. Oh. Dude, that was quick. Bomb. I know he's around. I know he's around. Let's keep it fucking going. Yo, there you go, Chris. Yo, is Lee B here? Lee B? Lee B? Oh, yeah, the visible. You did not. Lee B has like 20 seconds. Must be. Yo, I don't know what's going on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We fucking. Give him time. Yeah, Glacier. Quack, quack, baby. Boom. I know he's here. BK. BK. Ooh, it's gonna be a Discord fucking duck off or bounce off. Yo, it's gonna be a Discord bounce off. Chris, I have no idea what you're talking about. However, you tell on JJ. I don't even know who JJ is. Chris, I don't even know who JJ is. Who's JJ? Yo. My brother's friend is JJ. I have no idea who that is, Chris. Yo, is Bruce in here? Who's JJ? Dude, I'm not. Dude, no. I know nothing about that stuff. I'm completely out. Dude, you're crazy. You're crazy, man. Yo. Yeah. I don't get involved in that stuff. I'm out. Whatever's public is public. I don't get involved in any of that shit, to be honest with you. I can't even buy it. I'm not even buying it. Dude, it's a publicly traded company. All the info is out there. No. Who's this guy? Who's Bimol? Dude, I don't even know. Has Bimol talked in the chat? Don't crush to you, Chris. Dude, I'm not. I don't even know what you even want. I'm not hanging out with the guy. I don't know. I don't know the guy. My brother does. I'm not asking my brother about it. And Just Google it. I personally, I don't know. The company has to do with vaccines and stuff. I'm out on it, probably. Bet on BK. Bruce, did you win? You're in the ball sack race. You're gonna ball sack it. If it's a trap, I have no idea if it's a trap, Chris. I have no idea. I don't know if it's a trap or not. I couldn't tell you if I honestly do not know. That's my honest truth. I would not invest in any vaccine companies, to be honest with you, only because they're all getting hammered. I would not, me personally, I would not. Dude, Sean, I just wouldn't. You know, what's the point in it? Like, I'm out on it. I'm out on those. So I don't even know if it's a trap. Dude, look at this fucking Etsy ad. Like, what the fuck is this? I don't even know what that is. Like, there's some weird shit on Etsy. Bro, you guys are fucking savages. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, dude, who would have known? BK. So close. One time, BK. One time. Dude, tomorrow I might stream all day, by the way. CPI is in the morning. I might let this ride all day, depending on how CPI goes. What up, Roberts? Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. I mean, today was kind of a weird fucking day, to be honest with you. Should have made more money than I did. Should have done a lot better than I did. Jim Blab. Oh, Caleb is your son? Ah, there you go. I keep forgetting about that, to be honest with you. I keep forgetting about it. It's hard to remember everybody, but I do keep forgetting about that. Dude, this annoys me so much.
Okay.
So much. It was right there in my grasp. Unfreaking believable. Oh, man. Just a bad day. Start off fucking rough. Dude, You know what's funny is I told myself I was going to, which is the craziest part. And I was in. We broke. I think I got in at like 82. And once I was at like 65 ish, I got out. I literally got out. I should have just said I'm fucking holding. Just dummy. I got a bunch of shit I got to do. I got a bunch of stuff I got to do. I will be in the Discord tonight. I'll be back. I'm going to probably stream CPI tomorrow if you want to come hang out. I'll do CPI, and then I'll probably just stay on for the whole day maybe. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys had a good day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.